nobody thinks about the transmission until it explodes or fails. Then they're like, oh man. You know, and those guys, you know, there are guys out there, oh, my transmission will hold 1,000 wheels. It will, for a little while. Wow, that was cool.
Really
the moon was, I don't even have words for that. I'm just going to let that go. We're just going to let that
go. Oh, I giggle going down the track. I'm like, every time I do, when I do a wheelie, I'm fist bumping all the way down the track. I can't help it. I get so excited. I am Jessica Sipple. I am with my husband, John, and we are here to test our cars.
Nice.
Yeah, we're at Alabama International Dragway in Steele, Alabama. I do like this track. It's a very nice track. I mean, the prep is on point always. The folks that work here are amazing.
Well, Tim Barth, a near dear friend of mine, said there were some pretty exciting things happening today and that I really needed to get my car together and show up to test with what's here today. So we were very excited. We had a little over 2 weeks to get ready, and my car was literally burnt to the ground last December.
Yeah, the blower did fail, and the motor just went to the moon because it got all the way up here.
Yeah, it's got a big top. You're not doing your regularly scheduled maintenance? Is that the problem?
That's all I do for work. I gotta clean that in, man. Don't even mess with me. It still smells like ester and zinc, man.
Here we go.
We're good.
Little flex seal, so you're ready to go tomorrow.
Look how clean that oil is.
You're definitely making the next round.
And we rebuilt it in 2.5 weeks, and we're here with it tonight. Our whole program is based on R&D, and we feel that if we're going to sell a transmission to a customer, we need to beat the absolute crap out of it and make sure that it's going to hold up to what they're doing. So we go above and beyond stupid and try to break them. That's what every time we go to the track, we try to break these things. That's our goal. We break it, I take it back to the shop, take it apart, and say, what the hell happened? Let's fix it.
But we also want to be there for that customer so that they have track support. So if something, you know, we can help them out in any way we can.
Yep.
Like, I mean, I can't tell you how many times we're at the track and we've cooked for people and just, that's us.
There's a lot more than just technical support, you know. But when we go to the track, we don't want to just throw a product out there and go, here you go, have fun.
Good luck, you know. Like,
when you get a transmission from us, it's been in one of our cars. That rendering or that version has been in one of our cars and beat the absolute crap out of it.